Hey guys, welcome back to this Studley vlog. Shelby and I are still out in Malibu shooting, so here's some photos. So we continued hanging out in Malibu and we found this spot right next to the ocean where we could park and just hang out, and it was just really nice. As I mentioned in my last video, this is my buddy Shelby. He's out here visiting from Hawaii, where he lives. So we were just chilling, hanging out, and we spotted a few dolphins. I noticed this old Ford pickup, and my inner hipster photographer in me was like, hey, take some photos. So I did. So we were driving down PCH and stopped off at Nicholas Canyon County Beach. Pretty cool spot. Now this beach is super tight because it has amazing sunsets and there's just always people surfing. So I used to surf a bit back in the day, and I'm thinking about picking it up again and hopefully doing some surfing photography. That might be in an upcoming vlog, who knows? So Shelby was like, yo, I need a new profile picture on the gram. So I was like, I got you, bro. So I shot a few photos of him. One thing I like about this beach is that it's pretty secluded. Not a lot of people come down here, so it's just always nice to hang out and talk and chill with friends here. So we hung out till the sun went down, and then we headed back. And we had to stop because there was this crazy fog that was just super gnarly. And so we took a few photos. So at this point I switched over to my Sony A-7 too, because I didn't have any high-speed film to shoot with. Back when Shelby and I were at Biola, we used to go out late at night and take photos, and so it was just a lot of fun to hang out and do that again, just like old times. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys later. I'll be coming out with some new videos soon, so keep an eye out.